Hi there. One of you asked for more information about what's due tomorrow. Section 1 of your paper is due tomorrow. Section 1, it's actually 214. Yep. So that's what's due tomorrow, as well as the webinar here. Submit your certificate of completion. I went over that in the last video I posted. And essentially, for tomorrow, what you are doing is, where's section 1? You're going to give your project a title. So if you're choosing to look at the improvement of healthcare service referral programs, then you might choose a title along those lines. And you're going to draft an abstract, significance, and or background. Almost all of you are going to do a literature review that's based on services that are similar to what you did in your fieldwork, that you are going to compare to what you actually experienced in your fieldwork. So that's that last piece. That'll be in your discussion. But essentially, your abstract, significance, background, and methods. Your methods is a literature review. Your background is going to be information on programs that provide these kind of services. You know, why are these services provided is probably the biggest question, right? People don't just decide they're going to provide a service to a community. Usually, it's supposed to be evidence-based. So these organizations are supposed to do exactly what you're doing now. Needs assessment of their patients and their communities, literature review on what interventions work with similar populations, and then a grant that they propose, or income / revenue that they have available to fund this program. So that's what your background should be on. Your background should be on the disease or the health outcome or the social benefit of the program that the organization was offering that you worked on, and your method is a literature review. Your abstract is going to be a little bit harder to write up because you haven't completed the literature review yet. Which is the next piece, your results. Section 2 is the results of your literature review. So that's fine if you don't have the results, but your abstract is almost always introduction, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. Those are the 5 highlights in the abstract, and usually there's a sentence after each. I mean, at this level where you all are, this shouldn't be new information per se. Any journal article that you look at, abstracts are formatted that way. But if you have questions about what this should look like, it's a 2-page paper. You're really drawing from your seminar proposal, and it's not finite. So the 10 points that you're going to get for this part, this section is going to change as you move through section 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Okay, let me know if you still have specific questions.